Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdullah Hatsiam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple boost converter circuit, also known as a Joule thief circuit. This circuit can boost a lower voltage into a much higher voltage. So before we dive into building the circuit, let's look at the components we need. Here are the components we'll be using. A BC547 NPN transistor, a 10 kilo ohm resistor, and a toroidal 3-pin inductor, a 100 microfarad capacitor, and finally a 1 and 4007 diode. Let's build the circuit on a breadboard. I'll give you the circuit diagram so that you could understand the circuit properly. Now let's take a look at the circuit diagram to better understand how everything is connected. We can see that the battery is around 3 volts. Now that we have everything connected, it's time to test the circuit. Let's connect the battery and see if our boost converter is working. Great! We are getting 20 volts from just 3 volts. It means our circuit is working perfectly. Let me explain how the boost converter circuit works. When the transistor is switched on by a small current through its base, it allows current to flow through the inductor, storing energy in its magnetic field. When the transistor switches off, the magnetic field collapses, causing the inductor to generate a high voltage spike. This high voltage is directed through the diode to the capacitor, which charges up to a higher voltage. The capacitor smooths out the voltage to provide a steady output. This process repeats rapidly, boosting the low input voltage from the battery to a much higher output voltage, as we can see with our multimeter reading of 20 volts. So that's how you can make a simple boost converter circuit at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.